These are the kit components of a Ptca Y connector kit. This is a normal Ptca push-click connector, which is connected to an extension line. This is a blunt needle which is used to insert the guide wire into the push-click connector. This is a torque device. It helps to rotate the guide wire when it is inserted into the Ptca Y connector. We have two types of torque devices. One is pink and the other is white in color. They have slightly different shapes but both play the same role during the angioplasty procedure.